Dear students of 11th Medical, today in botany we are going to discuss the inflorescence and the flower. Inflorescence is simply the arrangement of flowers on the floral axis. A flower is a modified shoot wherein the shoot apical meristem changes to a floral meristem. The antidotes do not elongate and the axis gets condensed. The apex produces different kinds of floral appendages, literally at successive nodes instead of leaves. When a shoot tip transforms into a flower, it is always solitary. It means that at the apex only a single flower terminates a particular shoot. There are two major types of inflorescences. One is the racemose and the other cymose. In racemose inflorescence, the main axis continues to grow. The flowers are born literally in an equipetal succession. That is, the younger flowers are born to the apex. And in cymose inflorescence, the main axis terminates into a flower, therefore is limited in growth, and flowers are born in a basipetal order. That is, younger towards the base and older towards the apex. And the flower, the reproductive unit in angiosperms is the flower. It is meant for sexual reproduction. A typical flower has 4 whorls arranged successively on the small end of the stalk or pedicel, that is called as the thalamus or receptacle. The 4 whorls are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx and corolla are accessory organs. That is, they help in the reproduction. Androecium and gynoecium are the true reproductive organs. Exceptions are there, like a lily, where the calyx and corolla are not distinct and are somewhat fused together, and this condition is termed as perianth. And flower with both androecium and gynoecium are bisexual, and flower with either stamens or carpels only, as only one of the reproductive parts, either male or female, is unisexual. Now the symmetry. The flower may be actinomorphic, that is radially symmetrical, or zygomorphic, that is bilateral symmetry. And flower is divided into 2 equal radial halves in any radial plane passing through the center. For example, in mustard, the flowers are actinomorphic. And when a flower is divided into 2 similar halves only in one particular vertical plane, it is zygomorphic. For example, pea. A flower is asymmetric or irregular if it cannot be divided into 2 similar halves by any vertical plane passing through the center, as in case of canna. A flower may be trimerous, tetramerous or pentamerous when floral appendages are in multiples of 3, 4 or 5 respectively. And flower with bract are known as bracteate, and those without bracts are ebracteate. Thanks, have a nice day.